Hi friends, welcome to Competitive Exams Material channel. In this video, we'll see how to compare two strings in Java without any built-in functions. Okay, without any built-in functions, we'll see how to compare two strings in Java. Okay, so let's try to understand the logic behind that, and we'll write the steps how to compare two strings, and then we'll go to the code. So first, what is the problem? Suppose this is the string. Okay, we are going to compare. This is the string 1. String 1 equal to Sandeep, and this is the string 2, and this is also we are going to compare. So how do we compare these two strings? So first create two strings. Okay, and then after creating the two strings, what we need to do is iterate over the first extract each character of the string. Okay, extract each character of the string and then compare with the second string. Okay, so if this character and this character are equals, return true, otherwise return false. Okay, so compare each character in the string with the first string with the second string, and then based on that return true or false. Let's write the program and see the output. So create a new class saying compare string demo, and here write a main method. Okay, I am just taking two strings, string str1 equals to Sandeep, and I am taking one more string str2 is equals to Sandeep. Okay, now I have two strings with me. Now what I am going to do is, so in order to compare each and every character in the first string with the second string, what I need to do? I need to get the character from the first string and then compare with the first character in the second string. Okay, so for that what I'll be doing is take a for loop. For int I equal to 0, I less than str1 dot length. Okay, str1 dot length I plus plus. So first take for int I equal to 0, I less than str1 dot length I plus plus. If str1 dot char at I not equals to str2 dot char at I. Okay, so what this means we'll see first. Try to understand this method as well as what we are doing here. So when we say if str1 dot char at I not equals to str2 dot char at I means first char at method. What is the purpose of this char at method? So it returns the character value at the specified index. Okay, an index ranges from 0 to length minus 1. The first character value of the sequence is at the index 0 and the next is at index 1, and so on as per array indexing. Okay, if str1 dot char at I not equal to str2 dot char at I, okay, then we need to return false. Return false, or directly what we can say is, or we can take a boolean value. 1 second, boolean is compare. I'm taking a variable called is compare. By default it will be false. Okay, so I will set this value of is compare to false. Otherwise I will set the value of is compare to true. Okay, finally I'll print the value of system.out.println is, so I can say both the strings are equal. Okay, first is what? String 1 Sandeep, string 2 Sandeep. If str1.char at I not equal to str2.char at I, is compare equal to false, otherwise is compare equal to true. So comparing each and every character in the first string with the second string by using this if. So we are taking a boolean variable, whether it is true or false. By default we are setting it to false. Okay, so if the character at I not equals to character at I, is compare equal to false. So let's run the program and see the output. So if you see, both the strings are equal, true. Suppose what I will be doing is, instead of Sandeep, what I will be doing is I am giving ABCD. Okay, let's run the program and see the output. Exception in thread, index out of bound, range 7. I less than string 1 dot length. Oh, okay, fine. Since the first string is greater than second string, we are getting this. So let's make two strings equal. And if you see, both the strings are equal. So if str1.char at I not equal to str2.char at I, is compare equal to false, break, otherwise is compare equal to true. So system.out.println, both the strings are equal. So the only, why we got, here if you see ABCD, both the strings are not equal, but when we executed the program earlier we got true. So why? Because so as soon as, if at least one character in the string is not equal to other character in the string, just we need to break. Okay, just write this break statement. What is the purpose of this break? So it will come out of this complete loop. Let's debug this program and see the output. So first one, for I equal to string 1 dot length. What is the string 1 dot length? 7. Okay, and then come to the next line, str1.char at I. So what is the char at I? 0. Why? Because index starts with the 0 and not equal to str2.char at I. So first str1.char at I is what? A. If you see, A. So A not equal to S. A not equal to S. So what happens? Is compare equal to false. Break. When we do break, what happens is, it will not execute this if as well as this for. It will come out of this. You see here. So as soon as I write this statement, it came out of this is, if as well as the for loop. And then it is printing both the strings are equal, false. Okay, both the strings are not equal. That means, assume that, since we got only one iteration, right? Let's change this values. So I'm making it as ABCD, and here I'm making it as ABD. So let's run the program and see the output. So for I int equal to 0, I less than str1 dot length I plus plus. If str1 dot char at I not equal to str2 dot char at I. So what is the str1 dot char at I? A. So A is not equal to A. str2 dot char at I is what? A. So what happens? This condition is not satisfying. Is compare will be true. If you see, is compare will be true. First two characters are same. Now let's come to the next loop. What is the next loop? It takes the second character, that means index at 1. So it will compare B and B. So if str1 dot char at I is what? B. B not equal to B is what? False. This is B. And if you take str2, this is also B. So this is false. And then is compare will be true. Now if you see right, the third character, these third characters both are equal? No. If str1 dot char at I not equals to str2 dot char at I, is compare is what? False. So C is not equal to D. It will satisfy this condition. Function f6 is compare is false. I came out of this, and system.out.println both are equal. Is compare is false. Okay, so hope you understand this program, how to compare two strings in Java, without using any built-in functions. Okay, though we are using just str.char at I, we are not using any other functions like string.compare to method or like others. We are just using the simple caret method, which is the present in the string class. Hope you understand this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and comment on my videos. Thank you.